Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect the latest gadgets to help you make informed buying decisions. Today, we're diving into the Saiyin DS6305 soundbar. A budget-friendly option promising to enhance your home entertainment setup without breaking the bank. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The Saiyin DS6305 soundbar might not boast the most premium features, but it aims to deliver a solid audio upgrade at an astonishingly low cost. With a sleek, albeit slightly unconventional design, it's geared towards users looking to improve their TV audio without investing heavily. Now, let's talk features. The DS6305 is a 2.0 channel soundbar, meaning it lacks Dolby Atmos or DTS X support for spatial audio enthusiasts. However, what it lacks in surround sound, it compensates with surprisingly robust bass performance, making movie nights and gaming sessions more immersive. During my testing, I found the DS6305 handled diverse content fairly well. From watching movies like Dune to gaming sessions with Shin Megami Tensei V. The soundbar delivered noticeable improvements over built-in TV speakers, particularly in bass response and overall clarity. Setting up the DS6305 was straightforward, though its triangular shape might pose placement challenges for some setups. The included remote, while functional, felt a bit cheaply made, which might bother some users. So, should you consider the Saiyin DS6305? If you're on a tight budget and just need a step up from your TV's built-in speakers, it's worth a look. However, if you prioritize sleek design or advanced audio technologies like Dolby Atmos, you might want to explore other options. That wraps up our review of the Saiyin DS6305 soundbar. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more unbiased product reviews. Until next time, this is Product Critique signing off.